How to change wallpaper in laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your wallpaper in your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is opening up your settings. After you open up your settings, on the left hand side, you should find an option called personalization. Tap on it and there you should see personalized options. So right there, you should see a background option. That means that it's your wallpaper. And right there, you should find a list of your recent images as well. Now, you can choose any one from here or you can choose one from your files. So tap on browse photos, and from browse photos, you can choose your photos wherever you keep them. So choose a picture. I'll just choose this screen. And after I've chosen it, if I head back, there you go, I've just changed my wallpaper. And it's that simple. That is how you change a wallpaper in your laptop. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.